Hello everyone, welcome to this video on career guidance for SAP MDG by ZaranTech. Whether you are a fresher or experienced and looking to build your career in SAP MDG, then trust me guys, you are at right place. And let me tell you, to succeed in any field, you must clearly understand which path or roadmap to follow. It is said that your mindset determines your success. And this is the reason you must understand what to do and how to do so that you can start with a proper mindset. Now you guys must be thinking about which roadmap to follow. Don't worry, we are here to guide you through. So stay tuned and watch the video till end. SAP MDG or SAP Master Data Governance is a powerful tool that helps organizations manage their critical master data, ensuring accuracy, consistency, and compliance across their entire enterprise. As companies increasingly adopt SAP S/4HANA and focus on data governance, the demand for the skilled MDG professional has skyrocketed. According to industry expert Gartner, the money from managing data well will get much bigger, from $22.9 billion to $34.6 billion in just 5 years. This means people will need even better tools to handle all that data. So in this video, we will cover each and every aspect you need to know to become a successful professional in this field. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our ZaranTech YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to come across more updates like this. So before any further ado, let's get started.
We are going to cover in this video. So we will start with what is SAP Master Data Governance. Then we will look into importance of understanding the career path. After that, we will look into how to become an SAP MDG Professionals. And finally, we will conclude our video with the future trends and innovation in SAP MDG. So we will start with what is SAP Master Data Governance. Before we understand SAP MDG, let's have a glance at master data. Master data is special because it's non-transactional. What does this mean? This means while other data is busy with buying and selling, master data is quietly making sure everything is in order. It's like a smart guide that helps businesses keep their master data clean and correct, so everything runs smoothly. So why should you care? Well, in the world of business, making sure your data is right means you can start ahead of the problem. SAP MDG keeps businesses on the top of their game. Let us discuss the most important pieces of information that the businesses use to keep things running smoothly. That is, customer information, vendor details, product data, and material specifications. First, think about customer information, like knowing everything that can make our customers happy. It helps businesses personalize shopping, making customers feel special. Next up, vendor details. This is all about knowing who supplies the products or the services a business needs. It's like having a trusted group of friends who always have your back. Moving on to the product data. This is knowing everything about a product. It's like behind the scenes look at what makes a product great, from how it's made to how it gets to the customer. Lastly, material specifications. This is about knowing what stuff is made of and how it should be used. It's like a recipe that makes sure the final product turns out just right. All of these pieces of information work together to make a business run smoothly. It's like putting together a puzzle where every piece is important. Now let's talk about something called master data elements. It sounds techy but super interesting. First off, let's chat about you, the customer. Think about all the times companies need to know the stuff about you. Your name, where do you live, how they can reach you, and what you like. Now next, talk about vendors. These are the folks businesses buy stuff from so they can sell it to you. They keep information like the vendor's name, how they pay each other, and the tax stuff. Now imagine the cool product you love. Companies keep a big list of details about every product, like what it is, how it's made, and how it gets to you. Lastly, we have got the material specifications. This is a fancy way of saying what everything is made up of and how to use it properly. Now we will look into what exactly SAP MDG is. SAP Master Data Governance or SAP MDG is a powerful tool that serves as a backbone for the businesses by centralizing and streamlining the management of crucial master data. Imagine having a single source of truth that harmonizes and organizes all your essentials and non-transactional data, be it customer details, product information, or vendor data. SAP MDG does that, ensuring the integrity and quality of this data across the entire organization. With MDG, companies can make data-driven decisions with confidence, knowing their foundational data is accurate, consistent, and reliable. This focus on data quality not only boosts efficiency but also paves the way for smoother operations, setting the stage for innovation and growth. Now, assume Tech Global Inc. is a giant company that sells electronic stuff all over the world. They ran into a problem though. Their product information was all over the place, causing lots of mistakes and unhappy customers. That's when they brought SAP MDG, a special software that helps them keep all the products information in one spot. Let us see how it helped them out. First, they created centralized product master. Think of it as a massive digital book that keeps all the product details in one neat place. Next, they set up a data governance workflow. This means when they need to add a new product or update an old one, they start a process. This process makes sure all the right people check and OK the changes. Then comes data quality checks. It's like having detective that makes sure every detail is correct and nothing is missing. With unified data synchronization, once everything's approved, the updated information gets sent out to all the system at once, from online shop to the customer service system. Global and local balance is about keeping standard information available globally while allowing for the local tweaks, like different prices in different countries. Lastly, audit trial and change reactivity keeps a log of every change made, making it easy to review and ensure compliance. So, by implementing SAP MDG, tech global companies achieve consistent product information across its global operations. This leads to improved operational efficiency, reduced errors, enhanced customer satisfaction, and better decision making capabilities. Let us now see the emerging trends transforming how business manage their data. First, SAP MDG is moving to the cloud. That means it's making sure your important data can live on the internet, making it easy to get to wherever you are. Second, it's using smart robots or AI to keep your data clean and correct, so you won't have to worry about mistakes. Third, it's made to work with the data from everywhere, not just one place, connecting all your apps smoothly. Fourth, you can use SAP MDG in different ways, whether you want everything in one place or spread out, it's up to you. Lastly, SAP MDG works well with other systems, not just its own. This means all your data can work together nicely. SAP MDG is making it easier to handle your data. Now, moving ahead to our next agenda, that is the importance of understanding the career path. Understanding your career path and why it's absolutely crucial. Let's zoom on the demand for SAP MDG professionals and why you want to consider this path. Over 1,000 companies have shifted from SAP MDM to SAP MDG. This isn't just a small shift, it's a massive transformation in how companies handle their data. SAP MDG is forefront, preparing master data to make these transitions smooth. It's a backbone, ensuring data is clean and ready to go. You might wonder what makes SAP MDG stands out. SAP MDG is an innovative, flexible application that handles any type of master data, whether SAP or non-SAP. So why is understanding the demand of SAP MDG Professional is crucial for your career path? Because it highlights a growing field ripe with opportunity. For those of you looking to make a mark in tech, especially in ensuring data integrity and enabling companies to make informed decisions, trust me, SAP MDG is a hot ticket. Let me tell you guys, hands-on experience is a must. Why? The reason is simple. When it comes to landing a role as a SAP MDG professional, employers aren't just looking for the knowledge. They are after concrete experience. Let's unpack what that means. The magic number? a minimum 5 years of experience. And with those experience, what shine brightest in your involvement in 2 to 3 full cycle SAP MDG implementations. But it's not just about length of experience. The quality matters greatly. Having hands-on experience in key master data domains like customer, supply, material, and business partners position you as a high-valued candidate. Mastering these areas shows your capability to navigate the complex landscape of data governance. Now, moving on, let me tell you, there is a big demand for SAP MDG or SAP Master Data Governance Professionals, but not enough skilled people to fill these roles. So, what is the big issue? Essentially, there is a lot more work available in managing data with SAP MDG, but there just aren't enough people who know how to do it. Both training videos and articles on LinkedIn are stressing this point. There is a real gap here. We don't have enough trained professionals in SAP MDG, which means companies are struggling to find the right talent. This scarcity is becoming a major bottleneck. What does this mean for you? Well, if you are trained in SAP MDG or thinking about it, you are in a great spot. There is a high demand for skills, which means more job opportunities and potentially higher pay. And for those who are not yet skilled, this is the time to hit the book and find a course. Increasing your SAP MDG skills can really set you apart in the job market. Companies are looking for you and they need your expertise now. Now, moving to our next agenda, that is how to become an SAP MDG professional. Now, think of SAP MDG as a client guardian of data. If governing an empire of crucial business data excites you, then gearing up for this adventure is your first move. Now, let's break down roadmap to turning you into SAP MDG professional. Before we leap further, let's talk about credentials. A bachelor's or master degree in the field of computer science or business administration isn't just impressive. It's your ticket to understanding the complex world of SAP MDG. Now, moving ahead, let's talk about the skills required to become SAP MDG professionals. So, the very first thing, that is the technical skills I would like to talk about. So, first off, let's talk about coding with ABAP. It's like learning new language that lets you talk to the computer and tell them what to do. It's super important for SAP, and don't worry, you can definitely learn it. Now imagine you are putting together a puzzle. That's what system integration is like. You are connecting different computer programs so they can work together smoothly. Knowing your tools and how to get them to talk to each other is a key. When it comes to SAP MDG and other SAP areas like SD and MM, think of it as getting to your new way around the city. The more you explore, the better you will understand how to navigate. Setting up SAP MDG is like building your own digital world. From planning how it looks to making it user-friendly, you get to shape how business handle their data. It's a big responsibility, but it's also really rewarding. So diving into SAP data directory, tables and how they connect is a bit like detective work. Ever heard of SAP Fury and MDG APIs? They are tools that help you make SAP system easy and function to use. Learning about them is like discovering hidden tricks that makes everything more enjoyable. Now, let's talk about the functional skills. Master data management know-how. You should really know the ins and outs of the managing important data for business. This includes the best way to keep data clean and organized, requirement gathering and documentation. Be good at listening to what different areas of business need and writing it all down clearly, especially for SAP MDG related tasks. Configuring data objects. Have experience in setting up and customizing data profiles for things like customers, suppliers, and product within the SAP MDG system. Data cleaning and management. Be skilled at sorting out data, getting rid of duplicates, updating many records at once, and making sure that the same data is in different places when needed. Data migration skills. Understand how to move data properly from one system to another. planning the best way to do it without losing or messing up any information. Now moving on, let's talk about the secret behind the tools and the technologies that power SAP MDG. Whether you are seasoned pro or just starting out, I promise you will discover something new to wow your tech senses. So what is SAP MDG functionalities? Let's begin with data import framework. Think of it as a neat way to get all your data to line up and march right into your system. With this, adding lots of information at once is really simple. Now, let's talk about uploading files. It's so easy, like sharing a picture with your friend online. With SAP MDG, it's all about getting your data in without any trouble. But there is even more you can do. If you are using MDG on S4HANA Data Migration Cockpit, it's like a special tool that helps you move your data exactly where it needed to go. And it's smooth sailing the whole way. Uploading file with master data consolidation is magical. It's about making your information neat, tidy, and working together just right. SAP's integration tools like data services and a smart data integrator give you. They are like your superhero suit, helping you shape up, clean, and take care of your data super fast. Let's not forget the classic tools like old school backend functions and LSMW. They are the wise, trustworthy ways to handle your data. And with SOA, your system can chat and share data easily. Now moving on, let us see the career path. It's your chance to make mark in the world of SAP. And it all starts with a single step. The very first step is becoming an SAP MDG consultant. Here you are one who makes the sense of complex data and helps businesses run smoothly. Once you are comfortable in your role, it's time to step up as a senior SAP MDG consultant. Your job becomes even more interesting. You will lead projects, tackle bigger challenges, and share your knowledge with the newcomers. Feeling ready for more responsibility? As an SAP MDG manager, you are in charge. Managing projects, budgets, and timeline while guiding your team towards success become your daily routine. It's a role that demands the best of you, combining your technical skills and leadership skills. Now, let's talk about fascinating role. The SAP MDG architect, you get to design the roadmap for how data is managed and integrated into businesses. It's a visionary role where ideas shape the future of the company. At the peak of your journey is the role of SAP MDG practice lead. Here, you are more than just team leader, you inspire change and drive a strategy that define the industry. Now moving on, in this section, we will dive into the distinct roles and responsibilities that shape the backbone of successful data governance strategies. Join us as we explore from the ground up. First, an SAP MDG consultant gathers crucial requirements from different business domains, ensuring data governance strategy aligns perfectly with the organizational goals. They design data structure and user interfaces to streamline data management, making data accessible and compliant across the departments. Configuring master data objects like customers and vendors is a key task. These steps guarantees data accuracy, consistency as essential for efficient business operations. Participating through the project's lifecycle, the consultant ensures adherence to the data governance from start to finish, playing a pivotal role in its success. Now, second, a senior SAP MDG consultant shines with a deep functional and technical knowledge. Their expertise isn't just theoretical, they apply it practical to solve complex business challenges. Leading from the front, they conduct requirements gathering workshops, ensuring every stakeholder's need is meticulously documented and addressed. Guidance doesn't stop with project. Senior consultant mentor their teams towards successful projects delivery, sharing insights and fostering the learning environment. What's more, they are trusted advisor to customers, assisting in crafting and refining data management strategies, making sure that business stay efficient and competitive. Third, an SAP MDG manager plays a crucial role in overseeing the entire process designs, configuring and testing phases. Their oversight ensures that solutions are both effective and efficient. In the initial stages, they manage the gathering of requirements and oversee the setup of complete MDG solutions, tailoring the system to perfectly fit the unique needs of the organization. Beyond project specifics, this role involves providing a strong direction and support to all team members. This helps to maintain the team cohesion and ensures all members are aligned with the project goals. That sums up the pivotal role of an SAP MDG manager. Their expertise and leadership drive the success of enterprise data management projects. Interested in learning more about such roles? Then subscribe and stay tuned for more insights. Now, talking about the fourth, SAP MDG Architect is master at defining precise data requirements, including all aspects of validations and cleansing. They ensure that data integrity is uncompromised. They construct comprehensive data management strategies, paving the way of an organization's data to be utilized effectively and responsibly across the enterprise systems. Integration is key, and our MDG architect expertly align SAP MDG with diverse solutions like SAP Ariba, expanding the ecosystem's capabilities. Leading with vision, the MDG architect facilitates architectural discussions. They ensures the core functionality is not only implemented, but they scale with the future business needs. And at last, at the heart of their mission, an SAP MDG practice leads drives innovation. They are the touch bearers of thought leadership, constantly pushing the envelope in MDG solutions. Their role is not just strategic but also deeply collaborative. Managing a robust team of MDG consultants and architects, they mold a coherent unit poised for the success. Engagement defines their approach. By connecting with customers and partners, they craft and redefine enterprise data strategies, aligning technology with business's vision. From the drawing board to go live, they oversee all project phases, ensuring milestones are met with precision and the goals are achieved seamlessly. Let's talk about highest paying roles in SAP MDG. In this section, we will talk about high flying career in SAP Master Data Governance. What are the roles that not only challenges you but also ensures a lucrative paycheck? Let's find out. SAP MDG Practice Lead. At pinnacle of SAP MDG career ladder sits the SAP MDG Practice Lead with a salary ranging from $150,000 to $250,000. It's a role reserved for those who combine expertise with executive power. The second one is SAP MDG Architect is a master planner, crafting the digital blueprints that organizations depends on. A salary band of $120,000 to $2 lakh awaits those who can turn complex requirements into elegant solutions. Now, for the expert who excel in advisory, the role of a senior SAP MDG consultants offer a handsome reward. With salaries spanning from $1 lakh to $1,80,000, it's a testament for the value of seasoned guidance. Team leadership, more you style, step into the shoe of SAP MDG manager, oversee projects, mentor talent, and earn between $90,000 to $150,000 for steering up the ship with a steady hands. Begin your MDG journey as SAP MDG consultant. Not only you will shape the data that drives businesses, but you can also earn a respectable $80,000 to $120,000 as you build your name in the field. Now moving on, let's talk about SAP MDG certifications and their value. SAP Certified Associate. SAP Master Data Governance Credentials, also known as CMDG 1909, designed for professionals with backgrounds in SAP MDG or business consulting. This certification is your seal of foundational mastery in SAP Master Data Governance. By conquering the CMDG 1909, you demonstrate through your understanding of core concepts and processes crucial for MDG success. From overview to consolidation, domain-specific capabilities, to change request processes, data quality, and data replication. Equip yourself for this challenge through a blend of SAP education courses and real-world experiences. Courses like MDG 100 and MDG 200 provide tailored S/4HANA 1905 learning environment to hone your skills. So here is what you need to know about the exam. So the exam code is CMDG 1909, and if you talk about the level of the examination, it is associate level. And moving on, the exam price is 519 USD dollar. Apart from that, the number of questions you can be asked is 80. Also, the passing score you can expect up to 59%, and the duration of examination is 180 minutes. Your Part 2 certification is clear, and with the right preparation, the SAP Certified Associate SAP Master Data Governance designation can be yours. Now moving on, let us explore the essential benefits these credentials can bring you to your professional journey. Firstly, this certification decisively demonstrates expertise. It shows you possess specialized knowledge that can influence and optimize master data management across any enterprise. With an SAP MDG certification, you enhance your credibility. Colleagues and employers recognize this certification as a testament to your dedication and ability in the domain of data governance. Data governance is more crucial than ever, touching every part of modern business. Being certified meets industry demand, positioning you as a key player in the organization's strategy. Moreover, SAP MDG certification supports career progression. It opens up new avenues and leadership roles, accelerating your journey towards top management positions. The certifications journey offers a structured learning experience designed by SAP experts. This structured approach ensures you gain comprehensive knowledge applicable to real-world scenarios. Lastly, boosting your credentials increase your earning potential. Professionals with specialized certifications like SAP MDG can command higher salaries and better job specs. Now moving on, let's see moving from associate to professional. You cannot disagree with my opinion that everyone wants to get promoted. But the question is how? You must have something more in you than your peers to get promoted, right? Here's where the skill development comes in. So no doubt, learning and growing is one of the key factors that every individual thinks of. So if you are at associate level and looking to move to the professional level, then you must acquire some skills. And now let me tell you the skills you needed to develop. The very first thing you need to have hands-on experience in SAP MDG implementation and optimization. Also, you must have expertise in custom object development and integration with SAP and non-SAP systems. Apart from that, you must have a deep understanding of data governance, data quality, and master data lifecycle. Last but not least, you must have skills in leading workshops, guiding team, and assisting with data management strategies. Now moving ahead, if you are at professional level and trying to move to be master level, then the skill set you must have are: first, you must have to manage the large scale SAP MDG projects and lead teams. Apart from that, you need to get yourself familiar with the knowledge of emerging technologies and best practices. Also, you must know how to engage customers and partners from complex data solutions. And most importantly, you must contribute to SAP MDG community through mentoring and participation. Now moving on, let me tell you some of the key courses you need to follow for the best results. The very first one is SAP Master Data Governance for Data Stewards, and the course code is MDG 100. The second course I would like to talk about is SAP Master Data Governance for Architects, and the course code is MDG 200. Apart from these, there is one more course on which I would like to put some light. That is SAP Master Data Governance for Developer, and the course code is MDG 300. So these are some of the courses I wanted to talk about. Why? The reason is simple. Through these courses, you can develop your skills in the best possible manner. Now moving on, let's talk about the top industries where certification make you as a superstar. First, let's look into the manufacturing. Here, your skills help keep all sorts of products and parts in order. Who keeps everything running smoothly? You do with the SAP MDG skills. Next, think about retail. Your job is to make sure that every product, supplier, and the consumer is accurately recorded. With your skills, shopping experience get better for everyone. Now, consider consumer products. This is where you manage lots of product details and customer information. With your certification, you make sure everything is perfectly organized. In pharmaceutical, your role is super important. You help manage medicines and batch information, which keeps everything safe and effective. Here, your skills really help in saving lives. Now, think about the oil and gas industry. It's all about managing huge amount of data for equipment and suppliers. Your skills help everything run without a hitch. Lastly, utilizers. Here, you make sure all the data for electricity, water, and other services is correct. Thanks to you, everyone's homework just right. Now, moving on, let's review future trends that are not just shaping the digital landscape but redefining it. First up, cloud adoption. Imagine if your work could move with you anywhere you go. That's what SAP's cloud is all about. It helps businesses grow and change without missing a beat. Next, we have got artificial intelligence and machine learning. It's like getting a super smart helper at work. SAP is making computers that can learn and make work easier. It's like having a smart robot buddy to help you out. Onto the intelligent enterprise, it is all about businesses that can think fast and stay connected. With new technology like Internet of Things, companies can be ready for anything, anytime. It's like supercharging your business with brain power. Next, sustainability and ESG. It's important to take care of your planet while we do business. SAP is making tools so companies can be more green and good to the world. It's all about doing well by doing good. With collaboration development, anyone can create apps without being a tech whiz. SAP Build make it super simple. It's like making magic, no van needed. Now, businesses come in all shapes and sizes. That's why SAP has industry specific solutions. It's like having a tool that made just for you, whether you are making your car, teaching kids, or running a store. And there is more. SAP ecosystem expansion means more friends and more choices. It's about loads of different people and companies working with SAP to make even more cooler things. So that's all we got in this particular video. I hope now you guys have a clear understanding of the roadmap for SAP MDG Professional. So we have just wrapped up our guide on SAP MDG careers, and wow, what a ride. A big shout to all of you for watching this video till the end. If you're enjoying our video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon.
Hey there, want to become a master at managing supplies? Our SAP MDG 9.2 course is here to guide you through. You can take it at your own pace on our platform. In this course, you'll dive deep into SAP MDG 9.2. It's like a toolkit for planning everything, from ensuring we have enough products to getting them where they need to go. Our course covers it all, from the basics to advanced strategies. It's crafted by experts who know their stuff. Your instructors are seasoned professionals with years of experience. They're here to support your learning journey and address any queries you may have. And guess what? Our students rave about the course too. Folks just like you have found our course incredibly valuable. The best part? It's budget friendly. This amazing learning opportunity comes at an affordable price. Ready to level up as a SAP MDG 9.2 Pro? Enroll on our page today. For more details, visit ZaranTech's website.